Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. Hey man, I'm excited today, man. We headed to the mailbox. We got more parts, man. Parts on parts on parts. That I'm be installing within the next couple days. Oh man, we about to get this thing right. You know, I'm trying to get as much done as I can in preparation for me leaving next week. As I said in many vlogs, get ready, married. Love of my life. This girl's amazing, man. Without her, I wouldn't have nothing I have today. So we get married next week in Vegas. So I'm debating on whether or not I should vlog that. You know, the whole experience in Vegas. You know, from fly out, you know, hotel, you know, event venue, you know, the wedding ceremony, the dinners, and everything. The adventures we do out there. I probably should vlog that, even though this is a car channel. I still want to show you guys, you know, some of my life and some of what's going on. So it's up in the air. You know, leave a comment down below. Tell me whether or not I should vlog these things, throw it on the channel. I think it would be great for the channel. We got people out there, you know, that's probably get ready to get married or think about getting married, and you know, they might want to go to Vegas and do it. So let me know down below what you guys think. But other than that, yeah, we going way out and raving this shit, man. Quick little pull, something light, you know. Man, I'm telling you right now, guys, man, if you're in the market for a Charger, like I said before, man, get a Hellcat. A Challenger, get a Hellcat. There's nothing like it. I swear, this thing is just straight line speed. It's out of there. It'd be something totally fun to have. But yeah, we getting this thing right, man. By the end of the year, man, I want to do something major. I don't know if I'm going to do it at the end of the year or the beginning of next year. It's going to be a major makeover with Raven. So stay tuned on that. I was thinking about giving you guys a little sneak peek, but I haven't decided yet. So yeah, once I get to this mailbox, grab this stuff, we're going to take it back to the garage, and I'm going to show you guys everything that we got. So you can see what's about to go down in the next couple days. Yeah, I'm back at the garage, guys, and I'm about to show you guys all the things we got that's ready to be installed on Raven, man. It's gonna be one thing at a time. I'm gonna get a couple things installed this week. Hopefully I get a couple more things installed next week before I leave. I'm about to let you guys see what we got. Yeah, as you guys see, this is my Wicker bill from K&G Wraps. This is the clear glass right here. It's my rear window spoiler from Spoiler Kings. We'll be installing that. From one of my sponsors, Lighting Trends. Here's one of the controllers. We have another controller. This is my grill and engine bay lighting. This is, I believe, for my headlights. The DRLs, yep, DRLs, halos. Got the demon eyes somewhere in here. Yeah. Got the demon eyes. This is actually for the blue car. There's a couple LED strips that gotta be replaced. My H&R lowering springs. Told you I'm going static instead of putting the airbags on my car for a while. This is my 5mm spacers. Put on to poke my wheels out just a little bit more. And yeah, we ain't playing with them, guys. I told you, one model at a time, we gonna get right. Yeah, so that's all the things we got for Raven, guys. Can't wait to get these things installed. I told you, gonna get a couple this week, maybe 1 or 2 more next week. This thing gonna start making a real transformation. Like by the end of the year, I want to do something major. I want to keep that a secret, like I said earlier. But we gonna see when this one goes, man. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Oh, I will be leaving links down below to all the items that I got, so you can see where I got them from and you can pick them up. So if you're new to the channel, remember, smash that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.